Welcome you aviation students. Today we are going to study one of the most important system of the aircraft, that is called as the FMS. As you know well that the aircraft is being managed by the pilot and the co-pilot, but automatic management system is the basic requirement of an modern aircraft. Why this modern management system is the requirement of the aircraft? Because to relieve different burdens of the different non-related jobs from the pilot and the co-pilot, so that they can focus well on the flying and the flight level of the aircraft. So we are having one of the most important feature of the modern day aircraft, that is flight management system. So today we are going to study about the flight management system, that is called as the FMS. Dear students, you know well that the flight management systems play a vital role in the aircraft management. So a flight management system is a fundamental component of a modern airliner's avionics. An FMS is a specialized computer system that automates a wide variety of in-flight tasks, reducing the workload on the flight crew to the point that modern civilian aircraft no longer carry flight engineers or navigators. A primary function is in-flight management of the flight plan. Means to say that a flight management system is a system which provides those area managements which earlier being managed by the engineers and the navigators. So the job done by the navigators and the engineers now is fulfilled by the flight management system. Especially they manage the flight plans as well. Coming into the other aspects of the flight management system, we know that the flight management system became popular in the mid-1980s. Why it becomes so popular in the mid-1980s? Because it automates a wide variety of in-flight tasks previously performed by a human navigator, thereby reducing the workload on the flight crew. Not only can it define a desired route from the aircraft's current position to any point in the world, but the route will be based on the aircraft's operating characteristic to manage overall flight performance. Dear students, flight management systems provides a very vital kind of management. These managements contains the on-time takeoffs, landings, fuel conservation, long engine and component lives, all contributes to airline profitability. So the FMS helps achieve these results by operating the aircraft with much greater precision than humanly possible. Means to say that during flying, aircraft flight management systems approves that appropriate flight plan which is most appropriately profitable and economical for the airline. Students, flight management systems consist of dual redundant flight management computers and control display units. These flight management computers are sometimes called as FMCs, and control display units are sometimes called as CDUs. During normal operation, the computers crosstalk with each other to share and compare information. Each FMC is capable of operating independently in the event the other FMCs fail. However, only one FMC is provide commands to the other aircraft system at any one time. Means to say that we are having a dual redundant flight management computers, but at the same time, if both are working, they crosstalk with each other and find out the accurate results. But at one moment, one acts as a master and the other acts as a slave. Dear student, flight management computers system block diagram is look like this. Here you can see that we are having FMC number 1 and we are having FMC number 2, and these FMCs are interlinked with the CDUs. This is CDU 1 and this is CDU 2. These CDUs are that equipment which provides interface with the flight management computers, and human pilots provides different kind of instructions to the flight management computer through these CDUs. These two CDUs are being CDU1 and CDU2, but these two CDUs act as a pilot and the co-pilot CDU as well. So here we can see that this FMC gets information from the CDU and provides information to the CDU, means it communicates with the CDU and the it's a half duplex. And as the FMC provides information regarding different displays to provide display for the electronic flight instrument system, so it is having a simplex kind of conversation with the EFIS system. At the same time, FMC also have a good interlinkage with the electronic engine indicating and the engine indicating and control condition system ECAS and the thrust management system, and at the same time auto flight computer. So at the same time the FMCs provides interlink with the auto flight computer, engine indicating and control augmentation system, and thrust management system of the engine. So the augmentation of the auto flight computer and the ECAS and the thrust management system is being done on the basis of the flight management computer. The fourth and the major aspect of the flight management computer is to have a linkage with the navigational systems. These navigation systems provide and receive information from the flight management computer so that they provide accurate flight plan and accurate flight procedures to receive and transmit to the flight management computer the accurate flight plans. These flight plans is being executed by the flight management computer, but they get information from the navigation systems. These navigation systems are like VORs, ILS, TECON, DMEs, and different other equipments which provides the navigational information to the aircraft. Moving forward, we are having a flight management system. Prior to takeoff, the flight crew inputs their initial geographical locations, these are latitude and longitudes, and flight plans on one of the CDUs located in the center console. The FMCs receives navigation and guidance information from the air data computers, inertial navigation computers, and global positioning system. In addition to the ground-based radio navigational airs, these are VORs, and use that information to compute ground speed, track, wind direction, and velocity. Dear students, flight management system also provides waypoints along the intended route on the electronic flight instrument system navigation display and drives the flight director steering command bar on the electronic flight instrument system, that is called PFD. The flight management computers communicates with the thrust management system, that is TMS, that drives the auto throttle to control aircraft speed and the automatic thrust management system. Flight management systems also provides control for the flight control systems or auto flight control augmentation system that drives the actuator that moves the control surfaces for lateral and vertical control along the computed flight path. The FMC continuously optimizes the flight path as variables such as wind speed and direction change during flight. Dear student, the flight management system contains these LRUs. These LRUs are the two flight management computers. These are the flight management computers, and two CDUs. These are CDUs. With this, thank you very much. I hope that you would like today's lecture, and it would be very beneficial for you for learning flight management system. And with this, I would like to say something about this thing, that please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.